भगवान श्री आदिशंकराचार्य विरचित श्री शिवापराध क्षमापन स्तोत्रम्। आदौ कर्म प्रसंगात् कलयति कलुषं मातृकुक्षौ स्थितं मां विण्मुत्रा मेद्य मध्ये क्वथयति नितरां जाठरो जातवेदाः। यद्यद्वै तत्र दुःखं व्यथयति नितरां शक्यते केन वक्तुं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। बाल्ये दुःखातिरेको मललुलितवपुस्तन्यपाने पिपासा नो शक्तश्चेन्द्रियेभ्यो भवगुणजनिता जन्तवो मां तुदन्ति। नानारोगादिदुःखात् हृदनपरवशः शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। प्रौढोऽहं यौवनस्थो विषयविषधरैः पञ्चभिर्मर्मसन्धौ दष्टो नष्टो विवेकः सुतधनयुवति स्वादसौख्ये निषण्णः। शैवी चिन्ताविहीनं मम हृदयमहो मानगर्वाधिरूढं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। वार्धक्ये चेन्द्रियाणां विगतगतिमतिश्चाधिदैवादितापैः पापैर्रोगैर्वियोगैस्त्वनवसितवपुः च दीनं मिथ्यामोहाभिलाषैर्भ्रमति मम मनो धूर्जटेर्ध्यानशून्यं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। नो शक्यं स्मार्तकर्म प्रतिपदगहनप्रत्यवायाकुलाख्यं श्रौते वार्ता कथं मे द्विजकुलविहिते ब्रह्ममार्गे सुसारे। नास्था धर्मे विचारः श्रवणमननयोः किं निदिध्यासितव्यं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्नात्वा प्रत्यूषकाले स्वपनविधिविधौ नाघृतं गाङ्गतोऽयं पूजार्थं वा कदाचित् बहुतरगहनात् खण्डबिल्वीदलानि नानीता पद्ममाला सरसि विकसिता गन्धपुष्पे त्वदर्थं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। दुग्धैर्मध्वाज्ययुक्तैर्दधिसितसहितैः स्नापितं नैव लिङ्गं नो लिप्तं चन्दनाद्यैः कनकविरचितैः पूजितं न प्रसूनैः। धूपैः कर्पूरदीपैर्विविधरसयुतैर्नैव भक्षोपहारैः क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। ध्यात्वा चित्ते शिवाख्यं प्रचुरतर्धनं नैव दत्तं द्विजेभ्यो हव्यं ते लक्षसङ्ख्यैर्हूतवः वदने नार्पितं बीजमन्त्रैः। नो तप्तं गाङ्गतीरे व्रतजपनियमैरुद्रजाप्यैर्न वेदैः क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्थित्वा स्थाने सरोजे प्रणवमयमरुत्कुण्डले सूक्ष्ममार्गे शान्ते स्वान्ते प्रलीने प्रकटितविभवे ज्योतिरूपे पराख्ये लिङ्गज्ञे ब्रह्मवाक्ये सकलतनुगतं शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। नग्नो निस्सङ्गशुद्धस्त्रिगुणविरहितो ध्वस्तमोहान्धकारो नासाग्रे न्यस्तदृष्टिर्विदितभवगुणो नैव दृष्टः कदाचित्। उन्मन्यावस्थया त्वां विगतकलिवलं शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। चन्द्रोद्भासितशेखरे स्मरहरे गङ्गाधरे शङ्करे सर्पैर्भूषितकण्ठकर्णविवरे नेत्रोत्थवैश्वानरे दन्तित्वकृतसुन्दराम्बरधरे त्रैलोक्यसारे हरे मोक्षार्थं कुरु चित्तवृत्तिमखिलाम् अन्यैस्तु किं कर्मभिः। किं वानेन धनेन वाजिकरिभिः प्राप्तेन राज्येन किं वा पुत्रकलत्रमित्रपशुभिर्देहेन गेहेन किं। ज्ञात्वैतत्क्षणभङ्गुरं सपदिरे त्याज्यं मनो दूरतः स्वात्मार्थं गुरुवाक्यतो भज भज श्रीपार्वतीवल्लभम्। आयुर्नश्यति पश्यतां प्रतिदिनं याति क्षयं यौवनं प्रत्यायान्ति गताः पुनर्न दिवसाः कालो जगद्भक्षकः। लक्ष्मीस्तोयतरङ्गभङ्गचपला विद्युच्चलं जीवितं तस्मान्मां शरणागतं शरणद त्वं रक्ष रक्षाधुना। करचरणकृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। हरिः ओम्। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम भवानी शंकरौ वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्तमीश्वरम्। हरि ओम। So far we have seen 12 shlokas And today we have to see the 13th. Generally, we human beings are strange. And that is not a strange thing. All of us know that anyone who is born is going to die. It's a matter of common knowledge. But we live in a great illusion that we are going to die one day. And that is quite far. It's a great illusion. We do not understand the play of time factor. Now that is what is said in this 13th shloka. We'll read, we'll also see what is the literal meaning of that and also then reflect on it. आयुर्नश्यति पश्यतां प्रतिदिनं याति क्षयं यौवनं प्रत्यायान्ति गताः पुनर्न दिवसाः कालो जगद्भक्षकः लक्ष्मीस्तोयतरङ्गभङ्गचपला विद्युच्चलं जीवितं तस्मान् मां शरणागतं शरणद त्वं रक्ष रक्षाधुना तस्माद् मां शरणागतं शरणद त्वं रक्ष रक्षाधुना. आयुर्नश्यति. Ayu, our lifespan, nashyati, perishes, continuously perishing. And how? Pashyatam, Purushanam. All people are watching. As they are watching, the lifespan is going away. In Sanskrit, the sixth vibhakti, Shashti, sometimes called anadare, no respect. That means what? Suppose a man is watching, and as he is watching, a thief comes and takes away things and goes away. He is not caring for that man. He has taken it. This kalaha, we are watching, but as we are watching, slipping from our hands. Ayuhu, our lifespan, is nasham is continuously reducing. Pratidinam. Every day. In fact, every moment. Yati kshayam yauvanam. The youth which we are so proud and glorify, and we think as though it is going to remain there all the time. That yauvanam, that youth also yati, gachati, goes, is going. Kshayam yati, that also goes to disappearance. Pratyayanti gataha punarna divasaha. Divasaha, those days which are gataha, gone, na punha pratyayanti, they do not come back. Kalo jagadbhakshakaha. This kala, you call death, you call time, the spirit of time, Jagat Bhakshakaha, he devours, swallows the whole world. And it has no any special affinity for anyone. Nothing. Lakshmi stoya taranga bhanga chapala. Here Lakshmi means all worldly prosperity, material prosperity. Lakshmi is not the goddess Lakshmi we are talking about. Wealth, prosperity, riches, That wealth is like toya taranga bhanga chapala. Chapala, very fickle. It just goes like what? Toya taranga bhanga. Toya means water, taranga means wave, bhanga how it just disappeared, destroyed. The wave, you think it is coming, or sometimes very high tide, very high. But it takes no time to, it just goes, just gone. Like this, all prosperity reaches like that. Lakshmi stoya taranga bhanga chapala vidyut chalam jivitam. And our jivitam, our life is what? Like vidyut chalam. Like the lightning, in the sky, you see? Rainy season and all that. Chalam, chanchalam, it doesn't stay there. Just flash, gone. And as it flashes, the whole thing is illuminated like anything, but immediate darkness. Lakshmi stoya taranga bhanga chapala vidyut chalam jivitam. Bhagavan, up till now I had read all this, but now I intensely see it, feel it. Tasma, therefore Bhagavan, Mam Sharanagatam, Sharana, you are my only refuge. Sharana means Sharanam Dadati, you can only give me shelter, protection. Sharanagatam, now I have come to surrender to you only. Up till now I was thinking so many thoughts. Now therefore, Tvam Raksha Raksha Adhuna. Adhuna, now please only you protect me. O Lord, you alone protect me. We have seen the meaning of this now. How to think. All of us are born. How much lifespan we have, that we do not know. We are going to die also, disappear, that we know. How much lifespan we do not know. But let us say, some person's lifespan is 80 years. And a child becomes 1 year old, everybody is celebrating birthday. 2 years, 3 years. 50, I am 50 now. So, are you growing? Or from the other side you are reducing now? Your lifespan was 80, finished 50, already gone. How much remaining now? Count down. 30. 60-year-old Shashti Abda Purti I am going to celebrate. Very good. Shashti Abda Purti. 60th birthday. Now 20 only remaining. We think one day we are going to die, but this is continuously just going on. Lifespan is, as you are watching it, I have no control. Ayor nashyati, pashyadam, dekhte dekhte, as you are seeing it, watching it. So somebody say, everybody is fate, why you are just saying like this, Now important thing now comes. The Lord is so generous and most compassionate. He has blessed all human beings without any exception with one most special gift, and that is every day we wake up and we have got 24 hours with us. Rich or poor, literate, illiterate, man, woman, young, old. And Bhagavan has not stipulated that you have to spend these 24 hours only in this way. He has given full freedom. which way you want to. Kumbhakarna went on sleeping. But why blame him only? Why blame? His descendants are many. The time spent only sleeping or fulfilling all your desires, more and more and more and more, and without realizing how much trouble you are giving to everybody to acquire something for yourself. Rajogun. Only some sensible people, they think about it. They say, Pratyayanti gata punarna divasaha. Now the time gone will not come back. Money gone comes again, can come again. But time gone, never again. So they understand what is the time for great wealth I got. Isn't it such an expression is there in our transaction world? Time is money. Great professionals, to get you an appointment. Management gurus are there, or the lawyers are there, and all of them. Appointment to get also so difficult. And they'll say, okay, I will give you 20 minutes. At the moment, your time begins now. Tick, 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 tick. Meter started. Such great wealth of time we have. What are we doing? Ayur nashyati. And we are in illusion that one day we are going to, and still there is a lot of time. I used to travel earlier a lot to catch the flights, this, that, and my nature was, I used to give more time to reach there. And other people and the host and other mission members say, why are so much hurrying? There is still lot of time. I said, according to me, I am already late. Because you never know en route what can happen. This illusion that still there is time keeps us in this world. And we miss the main important thing in life, what we should do. That's why it is rightly said, who said doesn't matter, that we are all the time busy doing urgent or catching up with pending things. Daily routine or pending and urgent, and the important thing is always forgotten. Put in the back burner, as they say. This shloka is too powerful. Ayur nashyati. As you are watching, Kala doesn't wait for us. You say, oh time, please wait. Bhagavan says, wait. I have not waited for anybody. Raja, Maharaj, Samrat, Chakravarti, Mr. World or Miss Universe, Sannyasi, Sadhu, time has come. Some people say, I am so busy, I don't have time even to die. Dave says, I have got plenty of time. Because I don't ask whether you have time or not. Your time has come. You think lifespan, 80 years, 100 years, 150 years also if you so. If you read the Puranas and Vedas, all this Indradi Devatas, unke lifespan, then Brahmaji's life, even that also comes to an end. Huh? And then we are so proud of our youth, we feel it is never going to go. And I'll do this, I'll do that. There is a simple shloka in this youth, particular youth time. Man goes on and says, Karishami, Karishami, Karishami Chindaya. Marishami, Marishami, Marishami ti Visprutam. I will be doing this, I got to this, I got to this, I ought to do that, and I'm going to do that. You just see. Yes. But also remember, you are going to die also. So before death, the most important thing that you have to do, that you must do. It is like, when any business company, when the business they take on certain conditions, it's called deadline. Right? They have to build a building or a bridge or whatever is that. So contract it is, this is the deadline. As long as they remember that and they go on working, then the mission is accomplished. But say, they have to pay a lot of penalty then through your nose. Who knows how much? Ayur Nashyati Pashyatam. As you are watching, it's going. Yauvanam, we have seen. Slowly, slowly, the body emaciated. Everything is just going on. You are seeing it. All Yauvanam also goes away. The days that are gone do not come back. Time is money. But we spent whole time only in earning this other money. And the real wealth we have missed. It is said, the man has this love of wealth and he has missed the wealth of love completely in his life. We go on spending time and we destroy our health also in order to earn that wealth and later on spend all wealth to regain that health. And you must have seen in the drinking party and all that, and they cheer drinking to your health, spoiling his health, your health both. What all these people do? It is not laughable, it is pitiable. Ayur Nashyati Pashyatam Pratidinam. That's why in the Mahabharata there is very, very famous shloka that Yudhishthira. He says, Ahani ahani bhutani gacchantiya yamalayam shesha sthavar vicchanti kim ascharya matapparam. Every day people are seeing the people are dying and their own near dear ones also. They are taking them to cremation ground and all that. And still they think they are going to live. That does not mean all the time thinking about death and you have to become depressed. That is not the point. But importantly, what is the important thing in life? How much importance you must give to all these worldly achievements. Yesterday also we saw in the earlier shloka, up to some degree, some stage, age, understandable. But there also how to earn, how to spend, that is important. But if you don't understand that, and only just going on like this, प्रत्यायांति गता पुनर्न दिवसाः कालो जगत भक्षकः. This Kala swallow the whole world, doesn't spare anybody. You know, there are some kinds of sects or some people, they say, such and such year, we have heard this so many times, the world is going to end. And the leader of the group says, underground we are going to make the wonderful, all houses, college, all the world, you have to just pay and then just come and live, reserve your place there now. Because the underground doesn't come in the world. And there are foolish people enough number. They reserve, and how much food they are going to preserve there, and how much what they are going to do. But I am not just bluffing, joking. If you are not read such kind of things and all that, what is this idea? Lakshmi stoya taranga bhanga chapala. We think our youth is going to remain, we think our wealth is going to remain, but this wealth is what? A wave rising in the waters. As you see it, gone. How many rich people, wealthy people, they have become pauper in no time? Vidyut chalam jivitam, and we think a long life. What is long life? It is like a lightning. It appears and disappears. So our lifespan is not very great long. Our wealth also is not going to be very long. Our youth also is not going to be there long. And then we think, I have got so many near dear ones and all that. Please understand, they are there for your money. And they will just disappear. This is how the world goes. So now, yes, true, all this is true. Therefore, what we should do, that is important. That last line is there. Tasmat. So, yasmat must be understood. Yasmat ayur nashyati pashyatam. Yatikshayam yavanam. Yasmat pratyayati gatar punarna divasayan. Yasmat kalo jagat bhakshakaha. Yasmat lakshmi stoya taranga bhanga chapala. Yasmat vidyut chalam jivitam. Because it like that, tasmat. Therefore, Bhagavan, now I understood all my follies and all my mistakes and all illusion that I was in living all this time. Now I understand you are the only Nitya Vastu. Against all this, you are only the protection. In the worldly life, yes, there is a medical insurance, life insurance, and vaccination. People think just because they have taken vaccination, it will be fine. In one of the stutis in Bhagavatam, one person was sick and the Lord appeared before him. What do you want? Bhagavan, make arrangement for my medicine. Bhagavan laughed. He said, take this medicine, your time of going is already there. Even if you have not taken medicine, you would have gone. But now have the joy of taking medicine. Oh, Yamaraj is waiting there. He will give you that chance that much. Le. Tasmat. He Sharanado. Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama. Sri Rama Sharanam Mama. Right? Shri Shankara Sharanam Mama. Sharana, refuge, means shelter, protection. Bhagavan, I have understood I cannot depend upon my lifespan, or I cannot depend upon the worldly wealth. I cannot depend upon all the people. They're fine. I love them, serve them, that's all right. But you can't depend on anybody. We only depends on you only. Everything else is an illusion. Tasmat mam raksha raksha adhuna. Bhagavan, now please protect me, please protect me. Sharanagatam, I have surrendered to you now. Hey Sharanada. And I have heard that anyone seeks your shelter, you never deny that to that person, whoever that person may be. Then you don't see other record of that person. In the Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayana, there is such most beautiful shloka where Bhagavan Ramchandra ji says, Sakrudeva prapannaya tavasmi tisha yachate abhayam sarvabhutebhyo dadami etat vratam mama. Bhagavan says, even somebody comes to me once only and says, Bhagavan, I am yours. I make him fearless. Remove all fears. And don't we read in the Bhagavad Gita, Mam ekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shucha. Bhagavan Shri Krishna said, that means what? There is one nitya paramatma vastu, everything is anityam. If you just run after anitya only, the nitya, the permanent will go, we will not get it. And anitya is anitya only. So therefore, you get nothing. Zero. Big zero. They say, big what? Big zero, small zero is zero only. You wanted to become a great hero. Tasmad mam sharanagatam sharanada tvam raksha rakshadhuna. In one of the Upanishads, minor Upanishad, there is a beautiful shloka. It says, Adarena yatha stauti dhanavantam dhanechaya tatha ched vishwakartaram kona uchcheta bandhanat. It says, how with so much of great respect, reverence, we go on praising a rich man just to get some wealth from him. If with that adara, if you just pray to Bhagavan, the Lord of the universe, who will not get liberated from bondage? That Dhanvan Purusha gives you money or not, we don't know. And even if he gives, how long it will remain, that also we don't know. So why not you seek permanent release? What a shloka powerful. We'll see the last shloka tomorrow. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. उमापति महादेव की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।